Your 20-year-old truck, it's more than just metal and wheels, it's your freedom. But what happens when the parts you need to keep it running suddenly disappear? Just last week, viewers flooded our comments. One said his 2005 Silverado diesel's glow plug controller failed, and neither he nor his mechanic could find a replacement anywhere. Another wrote that a simple sensor for his 2000 Toyota 2.8 diesel no longer exists in the system. The truth? The parts you need are vanishing fast. So here's the big question. Is the dealership trying to trap you, forcing you into a brand new expensive truck? The answer is yes, but only if you don't know the secret hacks mechanics are using to keep these trucks alive for decades. If you want to stay in control of your truck and outsmart the system, hit that subscribe button right now, because what we're about to show you could save your truck and your wallet for years to come. Here's the harsh reality. Automakers are quietly pulling the plug on the parts that keep older trucks running. Glow plugs, ignition cylinders, even climate control modules. If it's analog, it's disappearing. And once these parts vanish from dealerships, they're gone. Sometimes forever. Take a look at this. A viewer named David couldn't find a glow plug controller for his 2005 Silverado diesel. Every supplier came up empty. Or Graham, whose 2000 Toyota 2.8 diesel needed a simple sensor, except the part number doesn't even exist in the system anymore. The truth is, dealerships are tightening control, forcing owners into buying new trucks instead of repairing the ones they love. This isn't just about inconvenience, it's a digital lockdown designed to make you dependent on them. And it's not just engines. Even your truck's cabin is under attack. Ignition keys are being replaced with push-button fobs, and climate controls are now tied to proprietary digital modules that fail and cost hundreds to replace. Old-school trucks are being slowly bricked by the system. But here's the thing, the story doesn't end here. There's a way to fight back to bypass the system entirely, and that's exactly what we're diving into next. So, how do you fight back against the digital lockdown? It starts with the brain of your truck, the engine control module, or ECM. When your factory M dies, dealerships expect you to give up, walk onto the showroom floor, and pick a new truck. But smart mechanics have a better solution: the engine brain bypass. Instead of relying on the obsolete corporate-controlled factory computer, you can install a standalone engine management system. The benefits are immediate. You can tune your own engine, read real-time sensor data, and replace only the components you need from the aftermarket. Plug your laptop directly into the system, monitor performance, and make adjustments yourself. You're no longer a passenger, you're the engineer. It's more than just independence, it's empowerment. By bypassing the factory ECM, you reclaim control over your truck, reduce costly downtime, and stop being at the mercy of the dealership parts counter. But the engine isn't the only battlefield. Removing the factory ECM opens up a new challenge. What happens to your transmission and cabin electronics? That's what we tackle next. Removing the factory ECM gives you control over your engine, but it comes with challenges. Your automatic transmission might lose its brain and default to limp mode. Digital ignition locks can leave you stranded. Cabin systems, like climate control, can fail entirely, but with the right hacks, none of this is a deal breaker. First, the transmission. Standalone transmission controllers let you regain full control, keeping your automatic shifting smooth and reliable. For purists, a swap to a heavy-duty manual transmission eliminates the digital dependency entirely, bringing full mechanical reliability back to your truck. Next, ignition locks. Older trucks had physical keys, but factory microchip immobilizers are designed to stop hot wiring. Mechanics have a clever solution. Trace the ignition wires and solder in a resistor that matches the key's ohm value. This tricks the security system and allows a simple toggle or push-button start to work flawlessly. Even your climate controls can be salvaged. If the proprietary HVAC modules fail, you can bypass them entirely. Using basic resistors and on-off switches, you can control blower motors and heater valves directly. It may not be flashy, but it works, and it's cheap, reliable, and infinitely repairable. With these transmission and cabin hacks, you're not just keeping your truck alive, you're making it smarter, tougher, and fully independent of the digital cage the industry has built. Sometimes, even the cleverest hacks aren't enough. When the wiring harness is rotted, sensors are obsolete, or the ECM is completely fried, it's time to go nuclear. Enter the ultimate DIY solution, the carburetor swap. By replacing electronic fuel injection with a mechanical carburetor and distributor, your truck becomes completely independent of digital control. No sensors to fail, no microchips to lock you out, just raw analog reliability. For the true purists, mechanics go even further. Gut the modern engine and drop in a pre-1986 small block Chevy. With pure mechanical fuel and spark, your truck runs on fluid dynamics and engine vacuum alone. Every spark and every drop of fuel is controlled by physics, not software. The principle is simple. Total independence. Failures are now tangible, fixable with basic tools, and infinitely improvable on the side of the road. No updates, no subscriptions, no forced upgrades. Just your truck, your hands, and your knowledge. So here's the question for you. Would you gut your engine for total independence? Comment below and let us know your boldest truck survival hacks. Here's the truth. The industry doesn't want you to realize. They've underestimated us. They think shutting down parts supply and forcing digital lock-ins will make us give up, trade in our trucks, and surrender our independence. But we're not just consumers. We're engineers, fabricators, and problem solvers. Every wiring hack, every aftermarket modification, every clever workaround proves that knowledge, skill, and determination still matter. DIY independence isn't just about saving money. It's a mindset. It's about taking control, keeping your truck alive, and refusing to be locked into a system designed to make you dependent. So here's a simple challenge. Tag a friend who still drives an old school truck. Share this mindset, spread the knowledge, and help build a community of owners who refuse to be starved out by the modern auto industry. Now that you've seen how to take control of your truck, bypass dead electronics, reclaim old school reliability, and even go fully mechanical, it's time to turn that knowledge into action. We want to hear from you. What's the most extreme modification you've done to keep an old truck running? Did you swap in a carburetor, wire your own ignition, or install a standalone engine system? Comment below. Your ingenuity could inspire the next generation of DIY mechanics. And if you want to join a community that refuses to be trapped by dealership digital cages, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here, we share the hacks, the tips, and the tools to keep your trucks alive for decades. Share this video with a friend who still drives an old school truck. Challenge them to try these hacks and help build a network of owners who won't surrender their freedom. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this: aftermarket parts, clever DIY fixes, and a willingness to learn are what keep these classic trucks on the road for decades. Independence isn't given. It's built one modification at a time. And if you thought that was impressive, you won't want to miss our next video. We're revealing the easiest $50 hack that can make any old truck run like new. No expensive parts, no dealership nonsense, just smart engineering. So keep your trucks alive, keep your independence, and we'll see you next time for the hacks that the auto industry doesn't want you to know.